Factor of 102. So 102, it can be written as 2 times 56. So 56, again it can be written as 2 times 28. So 28, it can be written as 2 times 17. Sorry, 2 times 14, it is 28. And 14, it can be written as 2 times 7. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, these 2, 2 and 7. So we can write 102 is equal to product of all the prime numbers. So it is this 2 times this 2, this 2, this 2 and at last this 7. So this much for today and thanks for watching.